Hello guys, welcome to Famous Beauty, where we appreciate the diverse talent of models worldwide. Be sure to subscribe and stick around until the end of this episode. Also remember to click the like button.
Presenting an enthralling tale that unfolds the extraordinary odyssey of Eva Padlock, a true luminary in her own right. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of the life of this Spanish model who has evolved into a global sensation. Eva Padlock stands as a beacon of beauty, charisma, and passion. Born on May 13, 1984, in the vibrant heart of Spain, Barcelona, her formative years in this culturally rich city undoubtedly left an indelible mark on her remarkable journey. At 39, Eva proudly holds Spanish nationality, cherishing her connection to her white ethnicity. Eva's meteoric rise to fame was propelled by the omnipotent force of social media, where her magnetic charm began to illuminate the digital landscape. A convergence of captivating looks and a distinctive personality swiftly captured the attention of a global audience. With each post, she etched a lasting impression on her ever-expanding fanbase, amassing over 2.1 million followers. Venturing into the realm of modeling marked a pivotal chapter in Eva's narrative. Her arresting features and self-assured aura positioned her as a coveted model for diverse brands and projects. From haute couture photoshoots to impactful promotional campaigns, Eva's presence was nothing short of mesmerizing. With a commendable net worth of $2 million, Eva Padlock stands tall among the prosperous echelons of the modeling industry, a testament to her undeniable accomplishments.
If you're enjoying this content, show your support by hitting the like button. Additionally, take a moment to explore her Instagram posts for more of her stunning visuals.